You want it? Come on now. Get it! Woohoo! Sky sword!
Damn, all I did was golf.
And one was a sky sword! You're not close enough, bro. We're supposed to be closer than that. Come on, now let's take off together. Alright, ready?
Timer cleared.
Alright, let's go. We're gonna roll on. Oh, never mind. You're going.
Gear up.
Yeah, buddy. What do you mean? Oh, it's a heavy pack. Oh, you're used to flying with a little light baby pack. Go. You got on it after you. I got on it after you. That's because I use momentum. Go. You stole my line, young blood. It's alright, I got you. Oh shit.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay. I gotta get closer to you. There. Oh, something kind of pushed me. I didn't really want to do that. You're not used to flying with the heavier pack.
Time remaining.
Here, let's do that at the
1
end of this pass. You go to the left, I'll go to the right. Go, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you flipped all the way around. No, you're good, you're good.
30 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7,
Woo!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Whoa, be careful. Alright. I hit that downdraft over there, that's why. And then you get sucked down into it. You know? So this is a new pack, I haven't even broken it in yet. Do what? Yeah. I'll do one right now. I'm going to come in just because this battery is new.
Gear down. 1 minute over.
I'll go a little behind you, or we'll go together. Woohoo! Frankie's not going to be here, damn it.
No, man.
No, that's all right. Work calls.
It pays the bills. It pays for all
No,
of this.
you do whatever you want. I'm just saying, it sucks.
That's the thing about work. You want to get pissed, and then the sense inside you reminds you very painfully.
If it wasn't for this,
It's like
you couldn't do
yeah,
shit.
You gotta pay to play. Guess who pays for the party?
Exactly. Work. No work, no toys.
No work, no
Woo!
I don't know. I'll keep this motor until it breaks.